Welcome to AskPrep, your trusted companion for NEET and JEE preparation. Today we will study about a very important topic of biology, which is Animal Kingdom, Non-Chordates to Chordates classification. Animals are multicellular, eukaryotic organisms that are heterotrophic by nature, which means they rely on other organisms for their food. The animal kingdom, scientifically known as Kingdom Animalia, comprises millions of species, all with unique features, body plans, and methods of survival. Because of this vast diversity, scientists have developed a systematic method of classification to study animals based on their characteristics, level of organization, symmetry, body cavity, segmentation, and embryonic development. The first major division we make in the animal kingdom is between non-chordates and chordates. Non-chordates are animals that do not possess a notochord at any stage of their life cycle, whereas chordates possess a notochord either during early development or throughout life. To reach the most complex animals like humans, we must first travel through the simple forms, the non-chordates, and understand how structure, function, and organization evolve step by step. Let's begin with the non-chordates. This group includes several phyla such as Porifera, Cnidaria, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes, Askhelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, and Echinodermata. Each phylum represents a leap in complexity and specialization. Starting with Porifera, commonly called sponges, these are the simplest multicellular animals. They have a cellular level of organization and show neither symmetry nor a definite shape. Their bodies are full of pores and canals that help in water circulation. Sponges are mostly marine and sessile, meaning they stay fixed in one place. They feed by filtering food particles from water. Ctenophora, or comb jellies, are marine animals that are transparent, luminescent, and exhibit biradial symmetry. Though they resemble cnidarians in some ways, they are different in having rows of cilia that help in locomotion. These ciliate plates resemble combs, which is where their name comes from. Moving forward, we reach platyhelminthes or flatworms. These are the first animals to exhibit bilateral symmetry and organ level of organization. They are dorsoventrally flattened, hence the name flatworms. Some common examples include planaria and tapeworms. They are mostly parasitic, and their flattened body helps in diffusion of nutrients and gases. Mollusca comes next, a diverse group that includes snails, clams, squids, and octopuses. Mollusks are soft-bodied animals, usually protected by a calcareous shell. They have a muscular foot used for movement and a mantle that secretes the shell. This group shows advanced features like a circulatory system and a specialized structure called the radula for feeding. Then we reach Echinodermata, which includes sea stars and sea urchins. These are exclusively marine animals and exhibit radial symmetry in adults, although their larvae are bilaterally symmetrical. A unique feature of echinoderms is their water vascular system that aids in movement and feeding. They also have the ability to regenerate lost parts and are considered closer to chordates in terms of embryonic development. Now, we transition into the chordates. What sets chordates apart is the presence of four key features at some stage of their life: a notochord, a dorsal hollow nerve cord, pharyngeal gill slits, and a post-anal tail. The notochord is a flexible rod-like structure that provides support. In most chordates, this notochord is replaced by a vertebral column in the adult stage, leading to the group called vertebrates. Chordates are classified into three major subphyla: Urochordata, Cephalochordata, and Vertebrata. Urochordates, or tunicates, and cephalochordates, like Amphioxus, are small marine animals and are considered protochordates. Though they exhibit the key chordate features, these may be present only in the larval stage or in a simple form. The most advanced subphylum is Vertebrata. Vertebrates have a backbone, a well-developed brain enclosed in a cranium, and complex organ systems. Vertebrates are further divided into classes such as Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, and Mammalia. Now we come to the phylum Platyhelminthes, also called flatworms. These are the first triploblastic animals, meaning their body has three layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. They are bilaterally symmetrical and show organ level of organization. These animals are flat from top to bottom, hence the name. Many of them are parasites, such as tapeworms and liver flukes. They have an incomplete digestive system, meaning the food enters and exits through the same opening. Next is the phylum AskPrep or Nematoda. These are roundworms with a cylindrical body. They are also triploblastic and bilaterally symmetrical. They have a complete digestive system with a separate mouth and anus. Some of them are free-living, while many are parasitic. Examples include Ascaris and Wuchereria. A key feature here is the presence of a pseudocoelom, a body cavity not lined completely by mesoderm. After that, we come to Annelida. These are segmented worms, showing true segmentation both externally and internally. They are coelomates, meaning they have a true body cavity. Their body is soft and divided into segments called metameres. They show organ system level of organization and bilateral symmetry. Annelids can be aquatic like Nereis or terrestrial like earthworms and leeches. One of their unique features is the presence of setae or bristles used for movement. In exams, you'll often be tested on identifying traits, comparing phyla, and understanding evolutionary trends. Focus on characteristics like symmetry, column, segmentation, body cavity, and types of reproduction. These features often form the basis of questions. Also pay close attention to examples, as direct questions are commonly asked from them. Thank you so much for being a part of the AskPrep community. We truly appreciate your time and dedication to learning, especially when it comes to mastering biology, a subject that's not only essential for exams like NEET and JEE. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who are also preparing, and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update.